Hi, I'm Dylan DeMars. I'm a senior at Northwest Tech, and I'm going to show you guys how to do a three-way switch. So in order to make a three-way switch, you need two light switches, two wire nuts, and a light bulb. So you're going to want to use a three-way switch as if you're going down a hallway. You want to turn a switch on, make the light go on. Then you're going to walk down the hallway, turn another switch off to make the light go off. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So first, I like to wire nut the neutrals together. And then you're going to take the switches. You're going to use the two top screws for your traveler wires. Make sure that you always pigtail the wires so they don't fall out as you're screwing in. In the process of doing that, I have everything. What I'm going to do is get it good. You might want to throw in there. Also, another thing they need to make sure you do is always ground out the metal boxes so it doesn't explode. I am going to go to mention that. And you're going to tuck the light switch in there. Then you're going to just do the same they did over there on this switch.
Oh, you ever want to just so good? I'm Bobby. Bobby. Yeah. You gotta bring the big box. Wow, you were jumping around.
And after you get those all wired, you're going to take the switch. Like I said, pigtail these. And then the silver goes to the white screw. And then the black wire goes to the golden one. And that is how you wire a three-way switch. Now let's go plug it in to make sure it works. Alright, so now we can test it. As you can see, it works pretty well. So, and that's a three-way switch.